Hi, my name's Chris Gord. I work for Reliable Carriers. I maintain the Chandler office here in Arizona. We have a lot of drivers come through. They're on a tight time schedule and stuff like that, so we do our best to get them in and out so it doesn't interfere with the loads and with dispatch and the type of loads they have and stuff, so we can get our customers' cars delivered to them on a timely manner and stuff.
I'm Andrew. I've been at Reliable Carriers for 6 years. The reason I like fleet and working in-house is because I know the trucks and trailers. So at a dealership, you may have a truck and trailer that comes in that you've never seen before that's having a recurring problem, so you know nothing about it. But us, when the trucks come in, we see them every few weeks or months, so we might go, we know what this was from last time. In-house mechanics, I think, is a lot better than sending to a dealership.
We have our in-house shops. They're doing all of their diagnostics in-house through a computer. It really has helped them advance and save a lot of time and allowed them to be more efficient in what they do.
We have all the diagnostic software for the new electronic trucks anymore. We can go in and troubleshoot anything without having to take it to a dealership and have it worked on or something like that.
Hi, I'm Jason. I work here at Reliable Carriers in the West Coast shop. Usually if the truck comes in and has a check engine light or a problem, I can get right on it, and it's like a matter of minutes. I can usually tell, okay, it's this sensor or it's this problem.
I guess we're called technicians now. We used to be called mechanics because we used to take stuff apart and fix it, whereas now we're technicians. So it just makes life a lot easier. And I mean, we wouldn't be able to do it without it either. There's just so many sensors and stuff.
We're open in the morning from 7 o'clock till 2 o'clock in the morning. We run 2 shifts in Arizona.
So if there's something that gets done during the day that we don't have time to finish up, night shift will come in. Night shift is a blessing because usually before we had night shift, if something needed to go, we had to stay here till it was done. So night shift basically takes the stress off us, knowing that we don't have to rush, get stuff done too fast, don't make mistakes and stuff like that.
We have our own trailer manufacturing facility. Within our facilities, we all have service garages. So all of our garages understand our equipment, they understand the drivers, and more importantly, they understand where the guy's got to be. So for some reason, if a truck goes down, we have another tractor you can get in and continue that load.
This is fairly complicated equipment, so one of the things we've discovered is getting it serviced over the road is very difficult. They usually don't do it right. So by having our own shops, we control that. And you know what, at the end of the day, nobody cares more about your equipment than we do. So it's good we have our own people working on our own equipment, and so that it just works better for us that way.
And one thing I wanted to mention is how happy I am with our drivers. They do their best to maintain the equipment. They keep it clean. They keep it, in good condition. They let us know when they have a problem and stuff. Most of our drivers are real proud of their equipment.